best homemade ginger tea ever. With its powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it is no wonder why ginger has become so popular. It is abundant with many minerals and vitamins including vitamin C and magnesium. This super healthy root can be very beneficial for you and improve your overall health. It has the ability to boost the immune system, treat heart problems, ease digestion, cure pain, and cleanse the liver. When it comes to flu and cold, ginger tea can provide even better results than the regular medications. What is more, it does not have any side effects and is completely safe to use. After regularly consuming this healthy drink, you will experience a number of health benefits, including better blood flow and warming effect, reserves of oxygen, vitamins, minerals, dissolved stones in kidney, cleansed liver, prevention of cancer and killed cancer cells, lower stroke risk. How to prepare the tea. Needed ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon powdered turmeric, coconut milk, 1 cup of water, raw honey. Directions: boil the water and add the turmeric and ginger. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, then add the milk. Strain the tea and add the honey.